In this video, we'll go over how to fill out and upload the Vermont Chemical Disclosure brand name, product model, and UPC template to your report in the High Priority Chemicals Data System, or HPCDS. Be sure to watch the HPCDS reporting tutorial for a full guide on how to submit a report in the database. Start by downloading the reporting template from the Vermont Chemical Disclosure Program webpage or through the HPCDS. To download from the HPCDS, log in and begin drafting a report. Go to Step 1 of the reporting process and click the link that says XLSM above Step 1A to download the template. You may get a notification that macros have been blocked in Excel. Click Learn More for instructions to unblock them. It's important to enable macros for the template to validate your data. You must fill out and upload this template to your report in the HPCDS before submitting it. Let's go over some tips for using the template. Be sure the information you enter meets the data formatting requirements outlined in Section 4F7 of the Guidance for Manufacturers. Also follow the formatting instructions in row 1 of the template. Type in one product model and UPC per row. Make sure to save a copy of the template for your records once you have filled it out. Let's try entering information for two products that contain toluene. Start by selecting the chemical you are reporting for the product in column A. Then type the brand name for the product in column B. Enter the product model in column C. In the last column D, enter the 12-digit UPC code. If there is no UPC, leave this column blank. Follow the same steps to enter the chemical of concern for a different product. If there are errors in your data entry, the template will highlight which cells have errors and show Yes in column E. These errors must be corrected before you upload the file to your report. If a cell in the chemical column has an error, try selecting the chemical from the drop-down list again. If there are errors in the brand name or product model columns, a pop-up will appear. Read the instructions in the pop-up to fix your entry. If you have many errors, try copy and pasting entries into a new blank spreadsheet to fix them. You can manually replace characters within a cell, or use Excel's Find and Replace feature to replace multiple invalid characters all at once. In this example, we will replace all underscores in the sheet with dashes. Now these items are in the correct format to put back into the template. If there are extra spaces leading or trailing your data, you can use Excel's Trim feature to clean them up. When you copy and paste information back into the template, use the Paste Special feature by selecting the Paste Values icon. If errors still show in the template, there may be hidden characters in your data. Try manually typing information into the cell instead of pasting. If there is an error in the UPC column, check that you have entered 12 consecutive digits. The field will not accept a 13-digit European article number, or EAN. Save the filled-out template file once you have fixed all the errors. In the data system, go to Step 1A and click Upload to re-upload your file to the report. A pop-up window will appear once your file has been uploaded. Click OK. Your entered data will show in the table on this screen. Make sure the data is displaying correctly. You may get an error message when you go to upload your file. If your file has duplicates, the pop-up will tell you which rows they are in. Remove the duplicates and save the file again. It might be helpful to use the Remove Duplicates feature in Excel. The error message also appears if your file version is invalid. If this is the case, re-download the template and carefully follow instructions. If you still have trouble submitting your report, contact NUMOA or the Chemical Disclosure Program for help. Please do not share your template file when you contact us, as we will give you instructions for file sharing. Thank you for using the reporting system.